Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV supports Bluetooth tethering and that your phone's hotspot is active. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, make sure both devices have Bluetooth turned on and are discoverable. Open My TV settings, then go to Network and Internet. You need the Bluetooth menu and hotspot settings ready on the phone so pairing will be seamless. This first step gets both devices in the right state so the TV can find and request the tethered connection promptly. Now you pair the devices and enable tethering. On the TV, choose Bluetooth, start scanning, and select your phone from the results. On your phone, accept the pairing request, and when asked, turn on Bluetooth tethering or the portable hotspot option. This supplies network access. Make sure the PIN or confirmation code matches on both screens and authorize the TV to use phone network. Doing it this way ensures the TV connects over the Bluetooth PAN profile, rather than relying on. Finish by checking network settings on the TV to confirm a Bluetooth network or PAN is listed and connected. Then test connectivity by opening an app. If speeds are poor, make sure your phone has strong mobile signal and data enabled, because Bluetooth tethering shares that connection. If the connection fails, toggle Bluetooth and the hotspot on both devices, then forget and repair the TV on your phone. That simple repair often clears pairing conflicts and restores the tethered link quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.